Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a QR code for your Google Drive folders. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm in an empty folder right over here, and let's say I want to create a QR code for this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm first going to get the link of my folder. I'm just going to go next to the folder name, click on it, and click share, click copy link, and now we have the link. With this, what we're going to do is we're going to Google QR code generator and just pick whichever QR code generator you want. You have the Adobe one, and you have QR code generator, QR code monkey. You have a lot of options. Just click whichever one you want. Then just enter the URL or link, and then you can customize and download the QR. And as you can see now, the QR is here at the right of my screen. And if I took my phone and scanned this, it would take me to the folder. I can't show you guys since I can't record on my phone at the moment, and I don't have permission on my other accounts for that folder, but it is what it is, and this QR code should work. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.